Hi everyone, I'm here to show you how to set up your Roadie with an Android phone. So you take your Roadie, it came with a USB cable in the Roadie, you just plug the USB cable in to the Roadie, and then you plug the Roadie into the USB port in your Tesla. On the Model 3 it's under that there. Now we're going to take our Android phone, we're going to go to the App Store. We're going to search for Roadie for Tesla, and you need to find the little road icon. Then you're going to hit install. And there we go. Now we're going to open the app. And by this time, your Roadie should have booted up, and you'll see that you have the camera icon, and that shows that the Roadie's working, like regular dash cam. We're going to hit connect here, and we're going to allow the Roadie to use location services and take pictures. We need pictures because on the back of the Roadie there's a QR code, and that's what we use to register the app with the Roadie. And that's it. We're just going to wait for the Roadie to connect. And there we go. We're connected to our Roadie. You can see that we've already got some videos. Now, you'll notice there's no Sentry Mode tab. That's because it doesn't show up until you have your first Sentry Mode event. So the first time you turn on Sentry Mode and leave your car, when you come back and start the app, it will be connected, and there will be a new tab for Sentry Mode. So that's it. I'm going to now go into the next video to show how to set up more advanced features like your Android hotspot, and how to connect the Roadie to your home Wi-Fi. Thanks for watching.